Hey everyone, in this video we will discuss about Android architecture. Android is built on a layered architecture that ensures stability, security, and flexibility for app development. Here's a breakdown of each layer. Applications, which is top layer of Android architecture. This is where all the apps run on an Android device. It includes pre-installed apps like phone, contacts, camera, and gallery. Downloaded apps from the Play Store like social media apps, games, and chat apps. These apps work with the Android runtime and use the tools provided by the application framework to function properly. Application framework is the foundation for developing Android apps, providing essential tools and services that simplify the process. It acts as a bridge between apps and hardware, making it easy to access device features while managing user interface, app behavior, and resources like images and layouts. Key services within the framework include Activity Manager, which controls app screens and lifecycle, Notification Manager, which handles alerts, View System, which helps design user interfaces, and Package Manager, which manages installed apps. By offering these ready-to-use tools, Application Framework allows developers to focus on building great apps without having to create everything from scratch. Android Runtime is a crucial part of Android that allows apps to run efficiently. It includes core libraries and Dalvik Virtual Machine, which is similar to Java Virtual Machine but optimized for Android. Runtime provides a foundation for application framework, ensuring apps function smoothly. It relies on Linux Kernel for managing memory and multitasking, allowing multiple apps to run efficiently without slowing down the device. Core libraries enable developers to build Android apps using Java or Kotlin, making development easier and more powerful. Overall, Android Runtime ensures apps run faster, consume less memory, and perform efficiently on all Android devices. Platform libraries include various C, C++, and Java-based libraries that support Android development. Media Library helps play and record audio and video. Surface Manager controls access to the display. SGL and OpenGL handle 2D and 3D graphics. SQLite provides database support, while FreeType enables fonts. WebKit is a web browser engine that loads and displays web content. SSL ensures secure communication between web servers and browsers by encrypting data. Linux Kernel is the heart of Android, managing drivers like display, camera, Bluetooth, audio, and memory needed during runtime. It acts as a bridge between hardware and other Android components. It handles security, memory, power, processes, and network communication while ensuring apps work smoothly with device hardware. It also allows hardware manufacturers to integrate their drivers, making devices function properly. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for the next video and see you soon.